welcome to today's video where we're looking at 20 HB pencils with erasers. Smooth writing, HB pencils with erasers, ideal for schools, homes and office. So you get £24 by Design Group, I'm not sure who they are, made in China. So let's open up and see what we get inside. So yep, we've got 20 there, so we need to sharpen one. So let's have a look and so yeah, I've got one here. Like the pencil case, Spider-Man. So let's go ahead and sharpen one of these. Yeah, it looks like cheap wood because it's just splintering. Usually with good pens, the wood stays in one piece, doesn't it? Yeah, so it looks like it's probably recycled wood, this. Let's have a smell. Doesn't have any smells. It smells like a bit like cardboard. It's like cardboardy smell, which isn't any smell, is it? Oh no, look at that. It's already broken. So let's go a bit further. So yeah, that looks like we've got something there. So we'll just move that to one side and let's have a write with it. No, really, it just broke. I wasn't even putting any pressure on it. So yeah, you can tell what kind of pencils these are straight away. So let's try that again. Yeah, they're not that good, are they? No, I don't like them. Let's see if we've got some more pencils we can... We've got HB2 and Norris HB2. So yeah, let's try it. Yeah, this pen feels better than the other one. Obviously this is darker. Isn't much difference, is it? A bit lighter. Overall I would give these a maybe, and not up, not down, just a maybe. And if you enjoyed that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.